thank you. Wow, it's always amazing to be back home and to see familiar faces.
Yes.
But yeah, it's so fun to be with so many creative people.
How long were you gone?
I've been in Manila for a month already.
How, I mean, like, nung mag-States ka, like 2
Oh,
years
3 years
na. 3 years na.
Actually, 3.5 years na.
Wow, wow,
Yeah,
wow.
time really just flew.
And ngayong pagbabalik mo, medyo maganda kasi you were part of the Philippines.
Yes. Actually, it started with my uncle, Kiko Pangilinan. I was, campaigning with him, so I was able to travel the Philippines.
Yeah.
And then FanFest was there, so I said, why not just make it a full trip na rin?
Yes.
So, but this is great. I mean, FanFest has always been, well, YouTube in general has always been very close to my heart kasi syempre doon ko nalalabas yung sarili ko talaga, which is hyper, sumasayaw, so yeah, and I'm able to do it in my hometown, which is amazing.
Life-changing on yung paggawa mo ng mga super selfie videos.
Actually, yes, a lot of people don't know this, but I was very depressed as States, and creating content really kind of put me back on track.
Yeah.
Dahil nga, not just because of what I do, but because of the amount of engagement from the people that really encouraged me. And so yeah, it's very, very close to my heart.
Not to mention yung exposure that you got. Beyonce got you.
Yes, that for me was, kumbaga, everything that I've ever gone through, that was like the pinnacle of, Gab, you're okay, you're good, and it's a blessing. I feel very blessed to be where I am, and to think na YouTube is not even, parang kumbaga hindi pa ako nag 100% talagang maximum force on YouTube, which maybe I might be doing within the next few months. Kasi actually mahirap din yan eh. It's not easy to to stay consistent, and even like what AJ said, di ba? Parang medyo mahirap talaga maging consistent with your videos, and especially sa akin kasi medyo may pagka-unique na iba.
Kailangan yung concept mo up to date.
Yeah, and the recent concept, I mean the past concept has to be lesser than the next concept. The next concept has to be greater than the next concept. So medyo alam mo yun, medyo challenging talaga. But at the end of the day, I feel like being surrounded by creative people na influence them.
Right. Oo. Saka I don't know, parang feeling ko kasi talaga it's totally nag-step out of the shadow ka na nun.
Yes. Actually we always talk about that with my family, and talagang complete 360 degrees.
Yes.
When I was here, kasi when I still lived here, ibang-iba yung ginagawa ko. It was never really to that extent of dancing in short shorts and rainbow socks, Yung nakakatawa doon, yun talaga ako behind the curtain. My entire life. Super hyper, super, loko-loko kung ano ang ginagawa ko. And then in the States, yun nga, I was studying and I needed an outlet.
Yes.
Tapos yun, one thing led to another, and
everyone's curious, anong next big project ni Gab?
actually there's something it's not really a project. There are some projects coming up within the next 6 months, but there's a very big change within the next 2 months that malalaman mo din yun for sure.
Okay.
But it's in the process right now, and it's very, very.
I heard about it already.
It's very, very big.
Yeah.
Yeah, and so I'm really excited because it's something that I've been thinking about for the past year and a half already. Actually, secretly iniisip ko talaga siya, but recently ko lang talagang nag-decide na I think it's time. So.
Okay.